So that's a letter R2D2 then. Yep, that's a review of R2D2 from the Disney store. That was the big R2D2 store. You're right, buddy. Yeah, let's see the big one. Okay, the big R2D2. Show what it does. Now here's a big R2D2, everybody. Star Wars R2D2 with a remote controller. Projector one. R2D2 spin. And you see the hollow projector in R2D2's eye.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
He's doing 2 action spins. Plus, on the star button, he's doing 3 programming commands, more sound effects from the movie from R2D2 from A New Hope. Including the letter S shape. And I don't have room for this. Finally, you press program and R2D2 will follow my instructions, everybody. Oh, I see. You know all about big R2D2 with a remote control over 1000 programmable action combos. Goodbye guys, goodbye. Goodbye. Come on. See you, good night. Goodbye, Wang. Goodbye. my tornado is working again. And I'm gonna do some writing for college tomorrow.